Later, dude.
What's up, guys? So, just put these new Hart Lucky grips on the bike. It was actually pretty easy. On the 2021 models, they didn't actually glue the grip to the throttle tube, so you just have to cut it and take it off. This side was glued, and you gotta, fortunately, sort of gotta chip away at it. Wipe it down with some alcohol, slip these on, boom, done. And if you haven't noticed, this is the first video I'm uploading horizontal. I got a new mount, figured out the perfect way to do it, hopefully the right angle. And I'm hoping it looks pretty good, a little better this way at least. You guys gonna have to let me know how it looks. I was having problems earlier because the GoPro couldn't see over the gauges, so I tried to get it a little higher up on the helmet. I'm gonna see how it does. But yeah, so if anyone's interested, what I have is, as far as MotoVlog setup, I got a GoPro Hero 9, which is a great camera. I enjoy it a lot. It's got the hyper smooth on it, so you just put that on, keep it at a high bit rate when you upload so it doesn't compress, and does a great job. On the GoPro, I have a media mod, which you can buy at Best Buy. I think it's like 70 bucks or something. On the media mod, it has a windscreen for the mic, and as far as my audio setting goes, I have the audio to go to the back of the GoPro. With the media mod, you get to choose either front or back. I put back just because I figured it would be catching less wind, and so far it's working pretty good. Now, the reason you can hear me probably so clearly is I have a Rode mic. I think the company is called Rode. It's like a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary mic. You plug it into the back of the media mod, and I ran it through the helmet, and I put the mic sort of right where the chin is of the helmet, and I velcroed it to the inside of the helmet, and like in between those little slits of the Simpson helmet, so that way the wind isn't hitting it. It also has a windscreen, but it's super small. Man, I like these grips a lot. They feel good. Just coming home from Matt Cortez Cycles in Fullerton. They do great work there. If you guys ever need any work done on your bike, go see them. Matt is and his wife are super knowledgeable. He used to be a tech for Harley years back, and then decided to open up his own shop. But he does great work, way cheaper than Harley. When I went down, he fixed my whole bike. Granted, I paid for the parts, but for labor, I think it was like 1,700 bucks for everything. And I mean, that was tank replacement because my whole tank was bashed in right here. Redid the handlebars because they were bent. Gauge relocation. What else did he do? Just fixed some like cosmetic stuff as far as paint goes and all that. He put in my power vision and tuned the bike up, so got it running real good. I think that's, oh, he put the rear crash bars on. I put the front on, but he put the rear crash bars on, my exhaust, my air intake. I'm sure more will come to me, but that's all I have at the top of my head. But anyways, I went to go see him because my buddy Julian, he has a Dyna he's having problems with on starting it up. Hopefully it's just a simple adjustment. We'll find out though. But yeah, it's always good to see them. I'll probably be having to put the bike in here, and I don't know, where am I at? I got 2,700 miles on it, almost 28. So yeah, another like 2,000 miles I'll be putting the bike in for servicing. But I think he charges like $400 for the servicing, no matter which one it is. It's and he does real good work. He checks even more stuff than Harley does. And Harley charges, I've heard Harley charges you up to like $1,600 depending on the service. But yeah, give him a shout out. He has an Instagram. It's called Matt Cortez Cycles. And you know, go see him if you have any problems. Come on, lady. I got my motorcycle class on Saturday. Sort of looking forward to that, just so I can have the license and not have to worry about it. It should be pretty easy. And then I go back to work on Monday. So after Monday, I'm probably only going to be posting one video, at least a YouTube video every week. My Instagram, I'll probably still be going pretty steadily on that, once a day, once every other day. It's just the YouTube videos, they take longer to edit and upload, and then I got to get out and ride and I try and get multiple different videos a day per ride, that way I have content. I gotta be getting out here soon. And there is an event coming up called Quarantine Cruise. My buddy Jared told me about it. It's like a car show, a bike show. It's on February 20th, I believe. It's a Sunday. So if any of y'all are interested, let me know. You can cruise with us. We're probably gonna ride there in the morning. Gotta get on the 605 here. And also another group ride Sunday. If any of you are interested, let me know. Not sure what we're doing yet, but hey, you get to come out, you get to ride with some guys, maybe grab some lunch. It's always fun to ride in a group. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna be getting off the freeway soon. It's gonna be a short one today. Let me know what topics you guys want me to talk about. I do a lot of my riding on the freeway, so it's sort of hard to just sort of ride around and talk about nothing, you know. Make fun of people for wearing masks in their cars and, you know, all that jazz. Talk about dumb drivers, Priuses, semi-trucks that don't pay attention, guys that ride Hondas and crotch rockets. Yeah, so let me know. All right, drop a comment, like, subscribe. All right guys, later. What's up, dude?